Shooter ready.
Ready.
Send it. All right, we're out here at North Texas Rifle Precision. We're here with Jonathan. Jonathan and I have trained before together. Today we focused on a lot of positional shooting, sitting, kneeling, standing, supported off barricades, unsupported. Done some time drills, getting ready for some future competitions we have coming up. And right now, it's the end of the day. You can probably tell the sun's going down, and we're going to go ahead and engage a golf ball, 750 yards. I'm going to zoom in now. Okay, and like in previous films we've had up here, you'll see the mini IPSC target on the stand there at the far corner. If you look to your right about 4 yards and up about a yard, you're going to see the white golf ball sitting on a black paintball or a paint can cap. So I'm going to go and get in position. Shooter ready. Shooter ready. Send it. Okay, your round went about a 1/4 mil low and a 1/4 mil right. Okay, make the adjustment, your reticle. 1/4 low, 1/4 right. Okay. 3/4 mil high. Okay. Oh, I think that's a hit. I saw it go flying.
Yeah.
That's a hit. The ball went glowing. All right, good job, man. Good job. Let me scan out here. Here, y'all stay up there. I'm going to pop this camera loose. Well, what do you think, man?
Awesome.
Golf ball 750. Good job.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem, man. Let's go down and get your ball.
All right.